What's up guys, it's Flash with tradingwithflash.com. I've been a full-time trader for a little over a year and a half now, and I have done the top between 7 and 8 top stock courses that were on offer. I've completed all of them and I have done a full honest review on each and every one of them. What this video is about, I'm just letting anyone know, anybody trying to get started in the stock market is confused about what courses to take and what style of trader are you looking to be. I have prepared a website where I have everything contained under one roof in terms of all my reviews of every course I have done, the ones I recommend and the ones I do not recommend, and what type of style and trader will this course will it suit you guys. So if you are interested in taking any stock courses, I guarantee I've probably done them on or reviewed them. So if you are interested in taking any of them, there is a link in the description below. It will bring you directly to the website. It's all under one roof where you can shop and review all the courses I have recommended and not recommended. There is huge discounts in there on offer as well, guys, if you do decide to take any of the courses. So I hope you all enjoy and let me know your feedback. God bless.